Hello, my name is Craig Molitor. By day, I'm the president of the Fond du Lac Visitors Bureau. An important first step, but part of a much larger process. If our efforts can lead to and inform a full-blown master plan for Lakeside Park, the members of the committee can retire our commission knowing we've done our part.
Hey folks, this is Craig. I was in the video you just watched, and the topic of that video was the Lakeside Park Exploratory Committee. I thought I'd come to you tonight and just give you a real quick update on that initiative in itself. But the cool thing is, here we are in the midst of downtown, an incredibly revitalized downtown, and it seemed like an awesome backdrop to tell the story of another incredible part of our town, Lakeside Park. All right, so I thought tonight would be a great opportunity to give you some details about what's actually happening right now. Remember, the key word is vibrancy. We've got vibrancy downtown, and we're looking for a little more vibrancy at Lakeside Park. And I can sum that up, how we're going to pull this all together with three words: public-private partnership. I'm going to give you a couple very quick details, but keep in mind, at the end of this video, we're going to post a link which will give you the opportunity to communicate directly with your city council person. Vibrancy. If we can solve for vibrancy in this community, then we think that we can accomplish a lot of things. Quality of life, and when you achieve quality of life, some of the workforce initiatives solve themselves. And again, after that happens, perhaps even tourism happens. But right now, the key is vibrancy for quality of life. All right, the other term I'd like to reiterate is public-private partnership. We know that the city has already dedicated $3.2 million for a major project in Lakeside Park. The idea now is that the private sector is saying that they will donate up to $4.6 million, perhaps more, in the future if we can somehow come to an agreement on what a master plan for Lakeside Park should be. So this Wednesday, the City Council will be discussing some really important issues regarding this community, specifically about Lakeside Park, but really about the overall quality of life for our community. What I would ask you to do is please visit the link at the end of this video and express your opinion to the City Council person. Thank you so much for your time, and have an awesome day.